Hey, I'm Matt Nichols at MrMaple.com, and thanks for clicking on another Mr. Maple Show video. Today we're here in Maplewood Gardens to talk to you about one of our very favorite maples. Did I say maple enough? This one is one of my very favorite Acer Japonicums. So Acer Japonicums are a very fun, unique form of Japanese maple, and Acer Japonicum fairy lights is one of my very favorite among those. This is one of the dwarfest forms of an Acer Japonicum. This tree is actually around 15 years old, so a very small, compact shape for an amazing small package for an amazing Acer Japonicum. Think of this one almost as a lace leaf dwarf Acer Japonicum. Fairy lights leaves out in the early spring with some exceptional bright chartreuse foliage, but the fall color is where this one really shines. This has some amazing fall colors that are red, yellow, and orange all at the same time. It's one of my very favorite Acer Japonicums, especially for that small overall shape. But we think you're gonna love this one, and it's gonna be one you're definitely gonna wanna add to your garden. And now a word from our sponsor.
MrMaple.com. They do over 1,000 varieties of Japanese maples, mail order, and they ship them directly to your door. Check out our sponsor, MrMaple.com. There's some great guys with one of the largest selections of Japanese maples in the United States.
Now, because of fairy light's small, compact shape, it goes through a lot of great uses in the landscape. You know, obviously this one's planted here in the garden here in Western North Carolina. We're here in Zone 6B, and I actually give this one a fair amount of sun here in Western North Carolina. Now, typically your Acer Japonicums, as you get up to that Zone 8, you want to give those more late day shade. But this one looks awesome in the landscape. It works great in the conifer garden or anywhere you want a small, compact Japanese maple with a lot of fall color. Now, because of that smaller overall shape, this tree is excellent for container gardening. It works excellent in a patio planter. You can bring that color of that spring and that fall back up to the garden, back up out of the garden onto the porch and really interact with it. I love this one, for that shape. Now, obviously with the name, this works really well for fairy gardens. Fairy gardens are a huge trend going on. My mom created one with my daughter, Carolina, and she loves to come and check on the fairy garden. Acer Japonicum fairy lights, for obvious reasons, is a perfect fit for that. From the name to the color to the texture, and also because this one has a really fun red tassel flower in the early spring that's popular on those Acer Japonicums. So you're gonna get an elongated bright red flower that contrasts really nicely with that chartreuse green foliage. Now, this is an introduction by YASMINA Rare Plant Nursery in Australia. They've come up with some amazing plants from Kunara Pygmy to the original Peaches and Cream, but fairy lights is a great one on the introduction list as well. So it's definitely one I think you're gonna want to add to your landscape and garden, whether it's in the patio planter or in the ground. You're definitely gonna want an Acer Japonicum fairy lights. Now, when this one comes up on Mr. Maple, fair warning, it does go fairly quickly. It's a very popular plant. You can always get notified below any product we have there on MrMaple.com when something's back in stock via email. But when this one hits the 10 at 10, it is quite popular. Now, being a small, compact tree, it's definitely one of the smaller ones overall. So we hope you enjoy this quick look at Acer Japonicum fairy lights, and I hope it'll give you some confidence in shopping for them on MrMaple.com. It's one of my very favorite Acer Japonicums, and Acer Japonicums are one of my very favorite types of Japanese maples. So it's definitely one we're excited about here at Mr. Maple. Take a second, like, subscribe to this video. Don't forget to share it with your gardening friends, and as always, sign up for our weekly emails on MrMaple.com. Take care, God bless, and have a great day.